I know you're filming, Dad.
How are you?
I'm good, Dad.
What are we doing today?
You know what we're doing today anyway, Dad.
What are we doing?
You know
Is
what?
something missing? What happened there?
It's a battery.
What?
It needs a battery, so you said we could get a battery.
Yeah, what do we use the battery for?
For this? The whole thing?
What's the battery do?
It charges it. I know what batteries do, Dad.
Oh, okay. It charges it?
Like it gives it power.
It gives it power. Okay. What else are we doing today? Hey, Brady, come here. I need you to open this box and show me what's inside it.
I do not know what's inside it. But, you know, could be some parts.
What is that?
And it's a light bar.
What is that?
I have no idea.
Pick it up.
Kind of like a song. Gadget, everything.
It's still caught. What is that? I think it's a trumpet. You play it and it makes music.
Where do I put it in anyway?
That's a muffler by a company called HMF.
Well, it's not really heavy, so I'm just gonna.
And it's an eBay item that I have picked up. And I have been
Just gonna like.
looking forward to installing it.
I'm just gonna like set this somewhere.
You gonna put it in there? Here, how about give it to me? Because that's in our way. How about we just move that right out here where it's not in our way.
Okay. First I thought that was a light bar.
A light bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need new
All right.
anyway.
Well, this is the stocker unit. Yeah. Not too fancy. It's got a catalytic converter inside of it, so I look forward to the added power. It's actually kind of loud, considering. But before we can do anything, I got to put a brand new battery in.
So,
All right. So I'm going to. I want to do a before and after video of what it sounds like. But we'll have to get the battery installed. All right.
Hello, this is for 3 now. Let's watch my dad actually do this.
Make sure you hold it nice and steady.
I am.
Freaking thing is heavy. Yeah. Full size. It is. It's
Okay. So this is what the battery
Nice,
looks
strong battery.
like inside the thing. And
for a bigger engine.
there's some screwdrivers with some screws. Now.
So I'm gonna put this here for now.
Wait, Dad, what's that?
This is gonna block that port so that I don't accidentally touch something with it and make my hair stand up. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
This side, to kind of dig all the wires out. Will it mess you up if I start my tractor here?
No, it won't.
No, go ahead and do your thing.
Okay.
What?
I was talking to the camera. Okay.
Okay. So for now, we're gonna put that there. So let's try it out. Got a good positive engagement there. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna turn it over. Here goes nothing.
It works perfectly.
Yep, we got good voltage too. All right, come around back.
Okay. Hey guys.
Come around back. This is the exhaust. Look at it. Hold it steady. All right.
Alright, so right now we're gonna have to change these springs. Yeah, let's go closer. So we have to change these springs. And so now I have no idea why we have to change them.
You have to remove them, right?
Well, yeah, we do have to remove them.
Let's put this. Oops. I guess that works.
How is that, man? How is that happening?
It's got a magnet, just like you said. These are strong.
Basically, they can barely see springs because of light.
Let's see, what's the best way?
Dad, what's this?
Okay, these are super big bear. Come over here and look straight in. Can you see in there?
Yeah.
That's the spring. So I'm hooking it like that. Reach in with a pair of pliers.
There goes one. Or at least
that
four.
That was the fourth one. All right. So let's see. I think it's supposed to just pull right out. I could be wrong though. Nope, not wrong. Ooh, it's heavy. Look in there. Yep, calorie converter.
Can I see?
You gotta love. You can see the honeycomb in there.
Nope, yep.
Alright.
Why is there a honeycomb in there anyway?
Because it's a pain.
That actually kind of looks like a gun once you hold it like that.
So,
This one goes way better with this. Like the new one.
I'm not sure how they expect us
The
to get the wrench up here. You lost something, Brady. It goes right there. Okay. So this guy goes like this.
Oh, something fell off.
Yep. Sure did, buddy.
Why did you take that off anyway?
It popped off.
No, that.
What do you mean? Why did I take it off?
Why did you take this off?
Oh, well, we're installing it. I'm not taking it off, I'm putting it on.
Yeah, but you just took it off.
It popped off, honey.
Oh.
The problem is to install it where they want, like that. They don't really have a good seal
I'll get some one of the one spring.
over there.
Okay, I got one spring. One spring is coming up. Got this spring. They're perfectly fine. Take your time. Just gonna hook it up.
Hold on, Brady. But you're right. You're right. That's where it goes. I think that we're going to have to put that there. This piece is going to go like that. and then
Okay. Let's stretch.
we're gonna need the piece off of the bracket.
Okay, Dad, I'm gonna stretch as far as you can. And as far as I can. And you gotta be ready to put it the right way. That was in this half.
I'll set your drink right here, mate.
Thank you.
Alright, Dad. Yes. Make sure you put it in the right spot, Dad. This is the only way.
What'd you find out online?
Nothing, honestly.
Are these just fitters? Fittings?
I don't know. There's something that's weird here. Like, there's one here, and it looks like it should just, that piece go in here, and this piece goes on there, because the center of that matches up with the piece on there.
Okay.
But it's too close. It's not far enough away for the mounts to line up.
Reach there. People, I think you might need help with this.
I think so too.
Okay, so put your finger like right there and see if you can make it stretch all the way to that hook. And then it might work.
Those are super strong. I could not flex them out even a little bit.
Wow.
Hmm.
I had to use a pry bar to get them this far.
Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Some pliers. Then I'm gonna put this part right here. Nope. Not close enough. Not close enough. Oh, now it. Now they would be able to touch.
Oh, I think I have that
Those
shit
different
in backwards because I
rows.
can't get an Allen in that. Now, dude, if you get your finger pinched in that,
Yeah, be careful.
it will be terrible because you won't be able to get it back out fast enough. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
What I'm saying is a lot of pain.
Okay, so now I'm gonna bring this back. See how far I can make it. Go.
I think you're gonna lose that spring, son, and then what's your daddy gonna do?
I don't know, but what I do know is that I can get over there probably and roll it back. Got it? I wonder how am I gonna do this. That. For something like this, we need something very stronger than this. Now this, as far as it can go. Perfect. As far as it can go. Then pick it up.
This particular exhaust is specifically for this vehicle, so it should fit. I made sure of it.
There we go. Let's see if I can get the same stretch. Oops. this thing to work. These pliers won't work. And if it needs to be in a different mode, I'm out. Okay, now let's pull this back to attach it over here. Ugh. One of the hardest things I ever done in my life. There. Oh yeah! Boy. I'm always sliding these things off. I'm always sliding these things off. It's very hard to get the back in.
Not very tight, is it?
I've
Well,
tried. This
course
was
we-
so
They're supposed to be
hard.
isolators, not
We don't have the springs on there yet.
right.
Ah, long hair.
All right. That was a bear. I might check to make sure none of these are loose. It's fused. Sounds good. All right, let's go to the drive. Well, it is definitely louder. And that's what the quiet core and the, what you call it, the spark arrestor, because this is a trail friendly type forestry approved spark arrestor. Installing it to a PETA, not fun, but I think it's an improvement in sound. It definitely has a lot more bark to it. Probably has a little more power up top, I would say, especially since the stock one had a catalytic converter that I removed, so it removed some definite what do you call it? It got rid of the honeycomb of the catalytic converter so that you're going to get more flow. So it definitely works. Definitely has more get. So yeah, all in all, I'd say it's a plus. I think my next mod's going to be doing all the bushings and the A-arms and ball joints in the front, and brakes eventually. But yep, thanks for watching.